guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm super duper excited to have you guys back for another video. Today we are going to be decorating upstairs. It's part 2 of my decorate with me for this season. We're going to decorate my dining room table. We're also going to decorate the Christmas tree, which I'm super duper excited. I think my kids are more excited than I am, but that's what we're going to do. We're just going to keep it very simple, very nice, very minimal, and that is what I do here. If you're new here, my name is Gladys. Here I show you guys how to live the simple and minimalistic lifestyle. If there's anything that interests you, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I'll be truly happy to have you here. If you're not new here, you have been with me for a while, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for keeping on watching every video that I post every week. God bless you guys. Let's get into the video. Let's go upstairs. Let's go. This is my box. Everything is in there. Let me give you guys a close-up and let's open it up so you guys see what's inside. This is all my ornaments, and literally there's nothing in there. Let me show you. So this is it. This is all that is in there. There's a box of ornament and a couple of green ones. That's it. I'm going to utilize this and make the best out of it, and some of these beads right there. But decorating simply, give me a second, guys. Decorating simply has made me realize I don't need much. So we are going to go ahead and get this tree decorated. Let's do it. I'm going to utilize these beads and intertwine them onto the tree, and then go ahead and add everything else on there. Let's start with this bead first.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels.
I don't have much. This is the box that I have, and some of the green ones, which I love very much, and I showed you guys in the haul. I'm gonna go ahead and utilize these, and you see where we go from there. We're gonna put the big pieces first, then the small ones.
Oh, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we hear carol sung from Rudolph's marching band. Give me an open fire, some eggnog and mistletoe, and a sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Give me some ribbons.
I love how everything is looking so far. It's just looking so simple, so pretty, exactly my style. I'm gonna go ahead and add these green ones now. You won't be able to see them from far, but I'll definitely bring you guys and do a close-up for that. And as much as my skirt, it's the season for green, guys. Wear all your green outfit. It's super pretty, not only on the skin, but in your house. As you can see, I'm standing next to my green trees, which I love dearly. So yeah.
When all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the
that I want to do different style on the table. This space, always love this space. I love the simplicity of this space, the modern touch of this space, and this space was actually from Crate and Barrel. Grand enough that it makes a very what is it called, fun and elegant table, but it's not hiding from anybody sitting at the table. So if anyone is sitting here, we can still see each other and still talk. So I really like it, and I love that you can still incorporate your greens that you have at home into your holiday decors. Is a round table. It's very small. I love it because I don't want a huge dining room table here, but you have to take that in consideration and not to overclutter this table. I'm going to add a candle right over here, another one right here to create the ambience. And these candles I got from IKEA. I love me some IKEA. I'm going to place one of the candles right inside there.
Ahead of us.